Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm a 34-year-old teacher from Toronto, Canada. I started losing my hair when I was in my early 20s, and it was something that was really bothering me. And so I did some research, and I contacted Smile Hair Clinic, and I traveled there in December of 2021 and got the front section and the crown completed. I'm about 9 months in, and I'm really happy with the results. I picked Smile Hair Clinic because I did some research. I contacted a bunch of different clinics, and they were the ones that really stood out for me. The whole process was awesome. Everyone was really great. There was no issues with anything. I was nervous going into it, but it was, once I got there, that one all went away. Overall, I would highly recommend the Smile Hair Clinic because it was great results, and they were great people, and the follow-up's been amazing, so I highly recommend them.